Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. I'm here to answer your questions about when you're purchasing a hair system and everything you need to know. This video is sponsored by the beautiful Lordhair.com, where you can get one of these fabulous hair pieces. All right, let's go, let's take a seat and dive in. Question number 1, how much does one of these beautiful hair systems from Lordhair.com cost, you ask? Well, this can start off from about $199 all the way up to maybe $400 USD. That's for a stock system. It all depends if they're on sale, which Lordhair usually have fantastic sales. If it is a custom-made system, it can cost a bit more because you are getting exactly what you want. Number 2, how long and how durable is a hair system? That's a great question. Another question I get asked all the time. So systems can last up to 6 months depending on how you treat them and the type of base that it has. If it is a super thin skin base, it can last about 1 to 2 months. If it's say a lace base, or if it's a thin skin system that's a bit more durable, it can last even longer. It can go all the way up to 6 months, but again, taking care of that hair baby matters so much. Question number 3, what are the main bases on the market right now? So the main bases on the market right now are the lace system and the poly system. Which one is best? It all depends what you want. A lace system is a bit more breathable and the poly system is obviously not as breathable, but it's an easy cleanup. So the choice is yours. Question number 4, how many hair systems should I actually buy? I recommend buying 2 systems because you always want to have a backup. You never know what might happen. You never know if you fall down the stairs and your hair system rips off. You always want to have something just in the back of your pocket to make sure you have a replacement so you're not panicking. Question number 5, if I have a sensitive scalp, should I wear a hair system? It all depends. So if your scalp is extremely irritated, you can wear different types of systems. I always recommend something that is more breathable, something is lighter, and it's going to irritate the scalp a little bit less. It also depends on the glue that you're going to use too. Always use a more gentle adhesive when you're applying your system, especially if you have a sensitive scalp. If you use a poly system, which isn't as breathable, there might be a little bit more irritation, so always go for the more breathable option. Question number 6, and this is one of the biggest questions I always get asked. How much is it going to cost for maintaining my hairpiece? And obviously we talked earlier about how much the system costs as well, so please take that into account. So usually, I'm going to base it off what we do here at the Seller Salon in downtown Toronto, is if you come in to have your system done for the first time, we charge 200 Canadian dollars. Some places can charge up to 350 USD dollars or Canadian dollars, all depending where you go for your first application. Then after that, we usually charge 150 Canadian dollars each time you come in to have your hair washed, to have your hair cut, to have the system put back on, and sometimes even throw in a little bit of a color vibrancy just to lift that hair system back up. Question number 7, where do I go to get my hair system put on? There's specialty salons that are around the city or wherever you live. Just make sure you do extensive research for the place that you're going to go. They will teach you exactly what to do to maintain at home, which is always the best idea because you save the dollars. And just come visit us every maybe 3-4 months or once a year, whatever you feel like. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to click, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And again, check out Lordhair.com and make sure to look at all of my fabulous videos. See you all very soon.